Hello friends, this is Annette from Simply Panux and thank you so much for stopping by. I am excited for today's video because we are finishing setting up our planner for 2025. I had already set this up, but I recently made a new size for the year at a glance sheet for 2025, and it has all of the different months and some decor here that has the houseplants collection. It is a much smaller version. I really like this, and I had set up my planner previously, but I didn't add anything here for the year at a glance. So that's what I'm gonna do today. Meanwhile, I am doing this, I am going to talk to you about the new bundle that I have available in my Etsy shop. I'm very excited about it because it's just really cute. I love it. It has everything that I use to set up my new hobonichi techo. This is the A6 size, and that will include these year at a glance stickers. So what it will include is the hobonichi techo 2025 die cut sticker. Let me tell you now, it will include this one that I use for the cover page. It will include the month tabs, which are all of these that you see here. This will be with her theme. It'll be a book theme. I also used these stamps, included the stamp that I used here just to cover up that first page. As I mentioned, the year at a glance stickers. It will also include the stamps, and it will include these month headers, and I used it for this section here just so it was complete with the theme, the sage green theme. So it'll have these 5 sheets, 4 sticker sheets along with the die cut sticker available to you. As soon as you see this video, it will be available to you in my Etsy shop. So I wanted to make sure that if you are seeing me set up my planners, that you also find it easy to just grab a bundle and set up your stickers just like that. So those are available to you guys. I'm excited for you guys. Just yet if this will make sense, but we're gonna try and figure it out. Might not look perfect, but we are doing our best. Okay, that's not right. Oh, it's not gonna work. Hold on. I'm going to remove it as gently as possible because I didn't like how that looked. These are made in a weatherproof paper, so it's a thicker premium sticker paper than the usual other stickers that I have. So it is a little more expensive, but that's why I'm making the bundles for you guys, so you still save some money. Ooh, there you go. Okay, cool. So I'm just putting them back here. Try not to do so much of a mess. So I'm gonna try and remove this area here. Okay, what I'm going to do, go higher up. So right underneath the 2025, that's where I'm gonna apply that one. And instead of going this way, like January, February, March, I'm going to add these bottom ones, these side ones first. April, there we go. And then July, that's the 7th month here. July, and then we can do October now. There you go. There you go, much neater. And then I'm gonna do the same with February. There we go, that's much better. So I'm just eyeballing it. You can do like I did here, the lines, the pencil lines. But I don't think it's necessary because these are they're all made to the same size. So you shouldn't have an issue with doing it, but definitely add some lines if you are more comfortable with those lines. And then we gotta do August. And if you mind that showing up a little bit, then you can just get some of the cream tape that I've mentioned before. This is a 2.5 millimeter, and then just go right over it, just like that. If you mind. I really don't mind, but just for the sake of showing you a little presentation, as to how I apply this Year at a Glance sticker sheet. So let me cover that up as well. This 9 here. And it's just, these stickers are made to last. That's why I made them into the different sticker paper. That way, if you are flipping through your pages, especially the section here, it's usually the cover pages that get the most worn out. So I had to make sure I had these stickers like that. So that's September, October, and this one is going to be November. And I love, love, love how it's looking. It just seems like it's a cleaner look with a little bit of decor. And there we go. We have used up the Year at a Glance page. You don't mind the little edges that have come across there. So that is it, guys. We have our Hobonichi Techo A6 size ready. We have the die cut. We have a little bit of decor. We have the Year at a Glance page, which I really wanted to use. In the daily pages, I actually ended up using these Year at a Glance ones with the original size, the Hobonichi cousin size. These are also available, but now you also have the A6 size. You have the tabs. We have the months set up, and then our daily page is ready. We have the cover pages ready with the grid tape and our daily pages. So that is all ready for next year. So if you are interested in setting up your planners for 2025, minimal setup with a little bit of decor, cute colors, then definitely check out my shop. I will see you in the next video. Bye-bye.